previous lives, right? So now somebody may say, well, this is understood that whatever we are doing good, we get good result. Whatever bad, we get bad results. Sometimes we are carrying forward our bad or good from our previous life. But the whole question is, why do we even have to carry forward? Why can't we finish it in just one lifetime? Why so much heavy mathematical calculations? Why Krishna can't keep it simple? Whatever you do good, finish it up in this life. Whatever you do bad, finish it up in this life. Why all that carry forward business? Now the thing is, why is there this carry forward business? Is because sometimes some seeds take a lot of time to fructify. See, like even in our day-to-day lives, you see, you want to have a mango tree. It will take 4 or 5 years. You want to have a jackfruit tree. It takes 8 years. You want to grow rice. Within 4 months you can grow, right? So some seeds, they fructify quicker and some delay, right? So that is why sometimes the result is delayed. See, even in our day-to-day life today, if I consume a lot of ice cream, I may get some cough and cold. It shows immediate result, right? Within a day or so. But somebody is smoking or drinking, over the years they may have a liver problem or they may have a lungs problem. They may not have immediately anything within a day or two. So sometimes the karmas are delayed and sometimes there is a reason behind it. Like, there is this very famous story in Mahabharata about Dhritarashtra. When the 100 sons of Dhritarashtra were killed, he asked Lord Krishna, he said, how come, why I had to suffer so much agony? What did I do wrong? So then Krishna says, let me tell you about your past lives. So then Krishna tells Dhritarashtra that, look, in your previous life, that is 50 life ago, you were a hunter. And once it so happened that while you were hunting, you saw a male bird on a tree. So you tried to shoot the bird, kill the bird, but the bird flew away. Now out of anger, because you could not kill the bird, you ended up killing the 100 baby birds which were there in the nest. So the male bird had to actually watch in front of its eyes the 100 babies getting killed. So now what is the result of your bad activity? You're supposed to get immediately the result. But the problem is, even to get 100 children, you will have to have that much good karma, right? To have 100 sons, that also sons. So that is why Krishna said that you had to wait for 50 lifetimes where you had to accumulate piety, you had to do some pious activities, become eligible to have 100 sons. And then finally, when you took birth as Dhritarashtra, in front of you all your 100 sons were killed at a time and you had to suffer through this agony. So yes, there are sometimes delayed karma. But who decides whether you will get the result of your karma in this life or you'll get the result of your karma in next life? That Krishna decides. So there is no pakka, like pakka maths. This 2 + 2 is 4. There's no such maths. Krishna decides. That's why Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita 4.17, he says, Gahana karmano gati. It's very difficult to understand the intricacies of karma. That is why an intelligent person should understand what is a forbidden action, what is an action, what is an inaction. They have to work according to it, understand it, develop a relationship with Krishna and do activities in surrender to Krishna. And that is the conclusion of Bhagavad Gita, is what Prabhupada says in the purport of that sloka, right? So it's very important for everybody to understand the intricacies of this. Sometimes, though we understand this is such a basic topic, but then we complain, right? Why me? Why like this? Why this happened? Oh, he escaped. He also did it, but he didn't get that bad result. Why I suffered? But then there is a very famous saying in English, says that the mills of God grind slow, but grind very fine. Have you seen those traditional mills where they grind this wheat and sometimes what happens when the grains are there, and you are grinding it. Some of the grains, they'll jump here and there. Now, and what the grain thinks, why I escaped? See, my friends, they're grinded and nothing happened to me. But what happens by the time the second round of grinding happens, even you are inside, right? This is what happens with us, right? Sometimes we think, nothing happened. I did that, but nothing happened. Or I did this, nobody knows. But then it says mills of God. Where the God is grinding, the karma result happens. Oh, they grind slow. Sometimes we think, he did so much bad, but nothing happened to him. Yeah, it'll happen. It is slow, but it grinds very finely. That means nobody can escape the law of karma. Everybody has to pass through it.
सब कृष्णा 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 लगे, सब कृष्णा 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 लगे, सब कृष्णा